Basketball families, welcome to the Hoopcasters Interactive Basketball IQ Assessments and Custom Training. In this interactive training session, students receive pre- and post-assessments based on data collected from over 15,000 responses from other 10 to 12-year-old players. This is a data-driven class. As a result, students are increasing their basketball knowledge and gaining confidence by competing and answering fun multiple-choice video questions. We developed these assessments with over 15,000 responses and hundreds of discussions, so we know we're on the right path. We found the weak areas in 10 to 12-year-old basketball players in this class. We're taking advantage of it. For example, we looked at the responses and found a few questions that 80% of students got wrong. That's what we focus on. We target those weak areas and we drive it home. So go ahead and test drive this platform with our free mini course to get warmed up. If you enjoy these samples, use this QR code. It's going to give you a $20 credit towards your first class with me. You can join me live. You can use your $20 credit towards any class you like. Okay, we have different classes. They're all live on Zoom, of course. Okay, 4th through 7th graders. So join us live on Zoom. Use your QR code. We'll see you in class.